Hello class, welcome back to skill number 3, and this skill is going to be resetting in the transition zone. Okay, many of you guys don't know what the transition zone is, and I'm going to show you guys. So usually in the court, we're going to have our two sides, and then we're going to have in the front, we're going to have a little blue line, and that's going to be our transition zone. Okay, so for these steps, we're going to be using the same steps in skill 1, skill 2. Always going to be non-dominant, dominant in the back, same swinging motion. Can either be a rainbow, cause either be a solid shot drop. But in this one, we're going to be just serving the ball, and we want to like walk up very slowly, always looking at our opponent, keeping direct eye contact, and we're going to make sure that we're staying in the middle of the field, just in case he wants to hit it to our left, just in case he wants to hit it to our right, and we're just going to keep finding the same rhythm, and always trying to find the transition zone. Okay, so for this one, the goal is to hit the ball in the neutral zone, which we like to call the kitchen. Okay, so we always like to call this little center in the front the kitchen because it's closest. Okay, closest to the net. Just like when you open the door to your house, the kitchen is always going to be the first one or near the front. Okay, so same thing, we serve the ball, we're going to walk up looking at our opponent, and then we're going to always try to hit it very softly just so it could land in the kitchen and we get an easy point. Okay, this whole point is to make it seem like we're going to hit it hard, and we're going to hit it soft, and we're going to land it, and we're going to get that easy point, and then we're going to reset. Same thing, we're going to walk up forward. I call this the crab walking because you're walking very slow. You can do it slow, you can do it fast depending on your opponent. If you guys are very slow, if he's very slow, you could hit the ball and you could walk up very slow, right? Depending if he hits it first time, if he hits it second time. Cool. If he lets it bounce, then you know you're taking like a little steps, you're walking a little faster. But if he hits it right away, you're like, you have to always be ready, looking at the opponent, looking at his paddle, and then making sure you know the direction of where he's gonna hit it, or always try to figure that out. Okay, so this was hitting shots in the transition zone, which we call the kitchen, and we're gonna move on to the next step that's gonna help you guys succeed in becoming proficient or advanced in pickleball. See you guys in the next class.